Got it? Okay, so I'm going to tune this to the F sharp with the octave key. Okay, so it's pretty centered there now. So I'll start from the bottom, hit low B flat, and go up chromatically using chromatic fingerings too. So the real low register is a little bit flat, but not so flat that I can't get it in tune by lipping it up, just so you can see that. Now finding the B flats to be really flat. Okay, so here's side B flat. Really flat. Now you take a look here. I think that cork can be shaved down a little bit to get this key to open up higher, which will bring the pitch up on that B flat. I think that's probably an easy fix. It doesn't go down very far over here either. You can see it.
Okay.
So I think that could be better. Really hard to get that up to tune. Side C. Regular C, good. C sharp's a little flat, pretty normal. There's a long C sharp. That's pretty much. There's an alternate C sharp that's right in tune. The D is not that sharp compared to a lot of horns. That's also a little sharp, the E flat, but that's totally saxophone. So here we are above the staff now, so we're on the high G, and you're expecting it to be a little sharp up here, which it is. Again, there's that B flat, really flat. There's the bis, also kind of flat. 1 and 1 flat 2. High A is a little flat. Could be my mouthpiece. High C is a bit flat. So above the staff, on my alto, I'm always used to that being sharp.
Yeah.
But it's kind of flat on this instrument.
Okay.
So could be, maybe we can raise these up, and it could just be my setup. I know sometimes that's a tenor specific. A lot of tenor players just know how to deal with that. It's a tenor thing. My alto and soprano are sharp when I go up high. Tenors tend to be a little on the flat side. The other thing about this instrument is that I find it warbles a little bit down low. So I'll just go down a B flat scale. I'll show you just right here, so you can see. We'll see what happens when I get down there. Not bad, and the more I warm up, the better it is. But I think there might be a little bit of a seal problem. Like, for some reason, can you get that camera up here? I want you to see, come up higher like this and look down on this. When I'm playing, I just want you to see that key sort of pop up when I'm fingering this. See how it moves?
Yeah.
I don't know why it's doing that. Like right now, actually, it's not sealing. I'm fingering a low B flat, and it's not sealing. See that?
Yeah.
So I think it might actually be a spring.
Okay.
There might be a spring. For some reason, that key just, the harder I hit it, it pushes it open. Now, you're not going to be able to get anything out with that.
Right.
So something's wrong there.
With this one?
Yeah, something's wrong with that key.
Okay.
So that needs an adjustment.
Okay.
I'm not sure what it is. It's probably easy fix.
Okay.
But something's not right on that.
Okay.
Other than that, I would say this B flat needs to be try to make it sharper.
Yeah.
I would, if this were my horn, I'd want the whole upper register to be sharper.
Okay.
Because I feel like it plays a little flat up high. But that could just be me. But other than that, the feel of the horn, the action feels very balanced. It frankly has a nice look to it. I think these horns just have a kind of the vintage patina, and this one certainly has that in spades. It doesn't smell bad like some old instruments do.
It's been through the ultrasonic.
That's just worth saying, you know. Sometimes they smell bad. But, you know, I'll play a little.
Leia, let me cut a new video on that.